Welcome to Pure Michigan Pour. I'm Dan Burrows.
And I'm Brent Wins.
So tonight we got something kind of fun. It's going to be it's not our first cocktail. It's the first one together.
Yeah.
So while we were at Reese's, I stumbled across, as you'll see in, I think, one of our
videos,
Reese's haul.
We did highlight it.
Yep. We came across this Let's Stay Home cocktail mixes. Owners, Eric and Taylor, are Grand Rapids natives. Pretty cool story about during COVID, he started making these cocktail syrups and mixes at home for him and his wife. And then one thing led to another. I will be reaching out. Come to find out we do have a mutual friend, Mr. Kevin Stanley from Mammoth. So I will be reaching out, but I took one of the recipes off their website for this syrup.
And you tweaked it a bit.
Yeah, I mean, their website is awesome. With all the recipes, you can do it by flavor for the syrup. So theirs called for bourbon and raspberry liqueur. We're going to do the blueberry syrup or the blueberry lavender mix. Our friend's Michigan moonshine, blueberry moonshine, and then Green Door blueberry liqueur.
So this is going to be a blueberry bomb is what it's going to be.
So for this recipe, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of the cocktail mix. 2 ounces of our Michigan moonshine.
Oh,
blueberry.
Man, that smells so good. Oh, man. It smells like blueberry Pop-Tarts.
It does.
That's what it reminds me of.
And then, a half ounce or so.
Oh, that one's got more of a spicy.
Of the blueberry liqueur.
That's more of a blueberry, almost spice. Kind of, oh, nice. Like a...
Now, normally I would be doing this over ice, but I just thought about that as I was mixing it. But we're going to drink it either way. And I'm going to shout out Menards for this little mixing glass thing.
That's cool.
So nice for
I gotta get
doing
one of
these
those.
drinks. They're so cheap at Menards.
Thank you. Okay.
So I guess we're just going to call this the Blueberry Bomb.
I think Blueberry Bomb is an apt name here.
Yeah.
Cheers,
Cheers.
sir. Wow.
Ooh. Yeah.
A lavender on the back.
Blueberry through and through with a little floral note. I think you let that rest on some ice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That's
the Blueberry Bomb. That is
that's
a
good.
good name for it.
So guys, you can get all these ingredients here at Reese's on 28th Street. It's our headquarters. Gotta go say hi to our friend Rishi.
Yeah.
Or you can pick Michigan Moonshine up. If you're in the area of Jenison, go over to the distillery.
Oh, yeah.
Meet
Get some
Kate,
food.
Jay.
Yeah.
Get the food, pork belly. Sticky pork belly.
Yeah. I will tell you with the pork belly, there's a little story there, but my wife doesn't like pork belly. She likes their pork belly.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yeah, it's like eating candy.
So good.
It's so
good.
good.
Any of the food we had there.
Yeah, they're tachos. They're
I'm pretty sure we're going to do
nachos.
We'll do a full food review
we
when we go down there.
Yeah, they're fantastic.
But we'll be doing hopefully more with
Green
Eric
Door.
and Taylor
and
at Let's Stay Home cocktail kits. They got a lot of different offerings, and hopefully we can get some more and
that's fantastic.
get some more cocktails going here for you guys. So guys, happy pours.
Happy pours.